Hello, Matthew. Good afternoon. This is June Marzan Balete from Man of the RPH. So, would you mind to introduce first yourself and then the place that you're representing?
Hi everyone, my name is Jun Matthew Oclacion and I'm representing Yampin, Manila.
Okay, so this is your first question. If you win this Manila's Finest Hanks 2025, so how would you encourage young men to participate or to join this kind of competition?
I will use this if ever I'm gonna win here on Manila's Finest Hanks. I will do on social media to make everyone experience this, lalo na sa mga mas bata sa akin na to boost their confidence na huwag sila magstay sa bahay. Ito, try nila na ganito or sa sportsman or sa kahit ano man, lalo na sa pageantry to showcase their confidence and appearance.
Okay, then I see that you have a great physique, right? Maganda yung pangangatawan nyo. So, how do you achieve that kind of physique? And then what are your preparations and then what is your healthy diet?
As of now kasi busy ako sa school, ito lang talaga medyo lumuwag. Kasi last week, di ako nakasama nga nun. Ito lang lumuwag na week, puro exam. Then, pinilit ko talagang makapasok dito, makasali. Kasi nga, siyempre, big stage din kasi.
Yes.
And also to showcase sa everyone na kahit paano, kaya natin gampanan nila. And naging preparation ko is kahit ilang araw lang, kahit lack of sleep, iniisip ko lang yung mga scenario na pwede mangyari in the future. Like confidence nga, di ba? Kailangan natin, isipin natin, huwag tayo maglalagay sa mismong halimbawa, edge lang natin, huwag mag-exit tayo doon para if ever man ma-meet natin yun, mas masaya.
Okay, that's it. So this is the last question, no? So, how do you handle the pressure of being judged on your appearance?
I handled it with natural naman sa tao, lahat naman ng tao na-judge, artista nga na-judge eh. Pero syempre nga, in the end of the day nga, it's gonna be you versus yourself lang talaga. So, be confident and you need to have healthy mindset, healthy heart, and healthy communication with others. And,
Okay, now the last one is, would you mind to invite our audience to watch the grand finals this coming December 6, 2025?
Sa lahat ng mga fans ko or sa aming lahat, sana manood kayo sa Manila Fine Hanks on December 6 at Isitan Recto Mall sa taas. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Madge.